Unveiling the mystery. What is material extrusion? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and informative. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic: material extrusion. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about modern manufacturing processes, this video is crafted to help you understand what material extrusion is all about. Let's get started and uncover the layers of this fascinating process together. Material extrusion is a term that might sound complex at first, but it's actually a straightforward concept once you break it down. In the simplest terms, it's a process used to create objects by forcing material through a shaped opening. Think of it like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. The toothpaste takes the shape of the tube's nozzle as it comes out. Similarly, in material extrusion, materials such as plastic, metal, or even food are pushed through a die or nozzle to form continuous shapes or specific objects. One of the most exciting applications of material extrusion is in 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. Here, material extrusion takes center stage by allowing the creation of three-dimensional objects layer by layer. The process starts with a digital design, and then the 3D printer extrudes small amounts of material, stacking them precisely to build up the object. This method is widely used for prototyping, manufacturing, and even in the culinary world for creating intricate food designs. Understanding the advantages of material extrusion is key to appreciating its impact. This process is celebrated for its efficiency, versatility, and the ability to create complex shapes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. However, it's not without its challenges. The quality of the finished product can vary depending on the material used and the precision of the extrusion process. Additionally, there are limitations to the complexity of shapes that can be created, especially when dealing with more rigid materials. There you have it, folks. We've explored the ins and outs of material extrusion, from its basic definition to its groundbreaking role in 3D printing. We hope this video has shed some light on this remarkable process and sparked your interest in how modern manufacturing technologies are shaping our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.